Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Oneplus supports live alerts and installing the latest Oxygen OS. This ensures feature parity and fixes. Once done, open Settings, go to Notifications, then Live Alerts and flip the switch to On. Make sure to grant notifications and accessibility access when prompted, plus allow Do Not Disturb override if you want interruptions during silent hours. Doing these steps first prevents permission errors later and lets the system capture events in real time. Now you configure what actually triggers live alerts and how they behave. You pick apps, contacts, call types, and system events that may raise an alert. Choose conservatively to reduce noise. Next, customize the visual layout, sound, and vibration so the alert stands out without being disruptive. Also set priority and repeat parameters, because high sensitivity causes false positives while low sensitivity might miss something important. Once configured, test a few alerts to confirm timing and appearance match your needs. Finish by running manual tests for each chosen source so you can see live alerts in action and tweak settings. Save your configuration as a preset if available, and enable battery-safe mode exceptions so the system won't suppress alerts during power optimization. If something goes wrong, first confirm app permissions and accessibility access, then inspect battery optimization and background restrictions. Finally, restart the phone to refresh services. If alerts still fail, toggle live alerts off and on and repeat tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.